Hey guys, my name is Zach Ferguson, but I know you don't care about that because all you're here for is information. So I'm going to be teaching you a Cork swipe knife today, and then I'm going to tack on a little quick tutorial that is also a Cork switchblade. So let's get started. Alright, so for a Cork swipe knife, all you have to do is swing your leg, 360, round kick, and hook kick. Here's a slow-mo example for you. All you're going to do is swing up, turn your body, spot your target, round kick, hook kick. And then what you're going to do after that is move on to the next easy move. That's going to be a Cork switchblade. Alright, so now for your Cork switchblade, all you're going to do is swing 360, spot your target, double leg, and then hook kick, and then you're done with the movement. Here's a quick slow-mo example for you, just so you can really get it down. I know you don't need any more information than that. So I hope you like this tutorial. I know that these kicks aren't the best, but you would know that if you knew my tagline, which I say at the beginning of my normal tutorials, but I don't want to waste your precious time. So make sure that you do not like or subscribe or comment or anything like that, because I don't want to waste any more of your time. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Make sure you watch Crazy Asian's tutorial on Cheat 720 twists. That definitely didn't piss me off when I was a beginner after this.